So why is visual storytelling so powerful? Take, for example, that 93% of our communication is nonverbal. Why? Because body language is visual. So I get a script. It's my job as the director to take the verbal story and translate it into the body language of the film. So I'm not just telling my audience to believe it, but I'm actually making them believe it. Let's say the first line of a script that you get is, "Character A enters a room." So when you're mapping out the scene as a director, from which side of the screen will you have the character enter? Will she enter from left to right or from right to left? Does it make a difference? Yes. Let's do a little experiment. Close your eyes and imagine a bird flying from left to right across your eyes. Now imagine the bird flying from right to left. Which bird flew faster? I'll bet that for most of you used to reading from left to right, the first bird flew faster. If you've read from right to left most of your life, the second bird probably flew faster. So how does this affect how we view a character entering a room? Our emotional relationships to the events on a screen are affected by how our bodies feel. So if I'm experiencing tension in my eyes when watching a character move, it will subliminally translate as emotional discomfort. Most viewers are not even aware of this, and it hits them as a vibe, if you will. As a director, you can use screen direction to non-verbally communicate story to your audience. Alfred Hitchcock knew this when he was making Vertigo, so he had the characters in the climax run up the stairs of the church from right to left and up. That is the most tense eye movement possible for us left to right readers because he combines it with upward movement, which is another strain on our eyes because it defies gravity. Very tense. Screen direction is just one of many tools at the director's disposal, and in my course, The Director's Eye, I'll teach you how to break a scene down like a director, translate the words into visual grammar, and build the visual story through camera, production design, costume, actor blocking, and sound design. And yes, sound design does count as visual storytelling. These are all skills that every aspiring director should know in order to be successful in their fields. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.